Hi there, it's me. How are you doing tonight? So, I wanted to come on and talk to you. We are going to go live tomorrow, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, for a couple hours, and we are going to start focusing on all things wigs. So, we're going to start off with just a wig discussion. Like some of the agenda items that I have so far are going to be the fear versus the reality of wearing a wig. Another one is going to be, why would you decide to wear a wig? It's a good question, right? So there are various reasons why we want to wear wigs, and we'll discuss. Some of them are basically for fun reasons. Some are because of hair loss, and there's various reasons to why there is hair loss. Which is what started me to wear wigs. Also, other things that we'll talk about are the pros and the cons of wearing a wig, experimenting with the various styles that there are out there, the densities, the lengths, the colors, the prices, because that's always going to be a big thing that we have to worry about, right? And then there is a wig for everyone. There's a wig for everybody. I will promise you, I have been through many of them, and I have found the ones that work the best for me. We're all different. We all have different price points, but I will tell you, some of the best wigs that I have found that I love are at very low price points and very affordable. So I'm here to tell you that you can make it happen. Other things that we'll discuss are synthetics versus human hair wigs. That's a big thing when you're looking at wigs. Some people do like the human hair. Some people don't. I'm one of them that prefer not to wear the human hair wigs. But that's my decision, and everybody is different in that respect. I like the fact that human hair wigs require you to maintain them just like you would your human hair. I like synthetics because that takes a lot of work off of you. You don't have to worry about humidity. You don't have to worry about other things. So it's less maintenance. So much easier, but things that we'll discuss in the live. Another thing is the type of wigs. There's lace fronts, there's monofilament, there's machine caps, there's hand tied. There's a lot of things that go into wigs that a lot of people don't know about. So we're all going to be educating each other because I'm still learning this stuff too, guys. This is, I've only been wearing wigs for about a year now, and it has been a journey. So it's a journey for everybody. And there may be people that want to join, and I welcome anybody and everybody to join the live, because at the end of the day, if you've got something that you can share and that you want to share with us, I would love to hear what you have to say, because I like experts. I like experts that have been doing it and know what they're talking about. So I'm not an expert. I'm just somebody that's been wearing them and somebody that has experience with the different types of wigs, because I have purchased many different styles and types and all the things. I've been through it all. So that's where I can come in, is because I do have the experience and I have tried pretty much all of them. So I can give you my thoughts on it. Another thing is measurements, right? And what size you should wear and what size head you have, circumference. And then the neck is a big thing too, on how long it's going to fit and sit on you. So somebody could be like showing it to you and it's sitting on their shoulder, but when you get it, it's actually sitting up a little higher, and it's because the length of the neck, and sometimes the size of the head. So there's a lot of different things that can go into that. Sorry, we're bouncing around a little bit, but see, that's what happens when you're holding your phone. Yeah, so those are some of the things, wig grips, caps, glueless versus non-glueless. We'll have all those conversations, okay? But I really would like you to join me for my life, and I really would like us to have these conversations. And we may do a few of these. We may not be able to get through all of it in one live, but let's try to do some of it. And then as we get comfortable with the conversations and we feel comfortable moving on, I'll start showing you some different wigs and ones that I have in my collection, so that you can kind of see the different types and styles and lengths, because those are all things that I have. I have longer ones, shorter ones, mid-length ones. Then you'll get to kind of see, what you might like. But some things that I will say, I'll tell you now. You might want to just start with something that's similar to your hair, your bio hair, and your color, so that it doesn't throw you for a loop for the very first time, because you want something that you're going to stick with. So that'll be something that we discuss in the live as well. So, anyways, I hope you have a wonderful night. I look forward to tomorrow. If we have a low turnout for tomorrow, like I said, we'll just keep doing it until we kind of get a groove into, what's working for everybody. This is new to me, so we're experimenting, okay? And that's okay to do too. And I got lots of other things to do and discuss and talk about. So, but tomorrow it's going to be about wigs, okay? All right. Have a wonderful night. I appreciate all of you. I'm so happy to be on this journey. And I will talk to you soon. Okay, sleep tight. Okay, night-night. Bye.